Can you tell me what comes into your mind when you hear the word entrepreneur? What is it, entrepreneur? So, have you ever known entrepreneur here in the Philippines? So, here are the famous entrepreneur here in the Philippines, Mr. Tony Tang of Jollibee Foods Corporation. And let us know ano ba yung quotable quote of Mr. Tony Tan. So when it comes to education, the only school I can learn from is the School of Hard Knock, and I am still learning today. Okay, so he now owns the Jollibee Food Corporation, which owns 11 restaurant brands, including the flagship brand and namesake Jollibee, the largest quick service restaurant network in the Philippines with over 35 local stores and 2,005 scattered across the globe. Sino nga ba ang hindi nakakakilala kay Jollibee, diba? Okay, next. Mr. Benchan of Bench. And according to Mr. Benchan, the quotable quote for him is the real test of entrepreneur is how far he can go when he tides up business to for the worst. It is in times like this when he should be unafraid. Be aggressive, know your market needs, and serve them. So, Mr. Benchan, the owner of the Bench. Miss Corazon Leong from the CDO Food Sphere. So she and her husband Pepe soon registered the CDO Food Products brand. In 1981, they registered as a corporation under the name of the Food Sphere Incorporated with the CDO as the flagship brand. So according to quotable quote of Miss Corazon Leong, love your work, enjoy what you are doing, focus on your project and be involved, be hands-on, have perseverance and dedication. Let's identify what are their common traits as an entrepreneur. Ano daw ba yung mga common traits ng mga entrepreneur na nandito sa Pilipinas and even sa ibang bansa? So, welcome to Entrepreneurship Quarter 1, Lesson 1, Introduction to Entrepreneurship. And for the objectives, we have to explain the key concept of the common competencies, explain the core competencies in entrepreneurship, and explore job opportunities for entrepreneurship as a career. Competencies of entrepreneurship, this is for the activity 1. So what are the characteristics that you have observed or see that is common to them? Who among the entrepreneurs you mentioned that you admire most and why? And in your opinion, what do you need to possess to become a successful entrepreneur? Relevance of the entrepreneurship to an organization. Number 1, we have a development of managerial capabilities. So this means that one of the benefits of an entrepreneur na makukuha natin is ma-develop yung ating mga managerial skills. And number 2, creation of organization. So that because of the entrepreneurship, many organization will exist. So kapag ka naging entrepreneur ka, madaming mga organization talaga ang mabubuo. And next, we also have the improving the standard of living, that entrepreneurship can lift up the economic status of an individual and means of economic development. So this means that not only the life of the entrepreneur is improved, but also the society where the business is located. So hindi naman para sa entrepreneur lang to. Of course, dun din to sa mga nasasakupan niya. Concept of entrepreneurship, the word entrepreneur. So when you say entrepreneur, it was derived from the French verb entreprendre, which means to undertake. And this is pinpointing to those who undertake the risk of enterprise. Kaya daw siya tinawag na entrepreneur kasi ito daw ay undertake the risk of enterprise. So the enterprise is created by entrepreneur and the process is called entrepreneurship. So kapag sinabi natin entrepreneur, it is a person. At entrepreneurship, ibig sabihin, ito ay isang pagninegosyo. Entrepreneurs are innovators. So dapat as an entrepreneur, you are innovator, willing to take risks and generate new ideas to make unique profitable solution to the present day problem. So, okay. So, when you make a product, iisipin muna natin, ano ba yung problema? Okay? Next is factors affecting entrepreneurship. Personality factors include initiative. As an entrepreneur, you have to be initiative. which means doing things even before being told. You also have to be proactive, which means he can classify opportunities and seize it. Problem solver, which means he can retain good relationship with the other people. Perseverance, meaning he will pursue things to get done regardless of the challenges. Persuasion means that he can entice people to buy even if they don't. So, dapat magaling yung convincing power mo dito, yung persuasion mo. And planner, meaning he makes a plan before doing things and do not fail to monitor it. So, as a planner, dapat meron kang plano at talagang namomonitor mo siya. And of course, a risk taker. So, risk taker, he is willing to gamble, but he will calculate it first. Okay, so ibig sabihin, ito yung to undertake na i-risk mo yung idea na naiisip mo. Environmental factor, which include the political, climate, and legal system. So economic and social condition, and of course, the market situation. So these are the factors affecting entrepreneurship. Common competencies and entrepreneurship. So these are the competencies in entrepreneurship. Number one, you have to be decisive. So decisive, an entrepreneur must be firm in making a decision. You have to be firm in making a decision. Communicator. So entrepreneur must have a convincing power. So dapat eto talaga yung pinaka magagawa natin, yung palakasin yung ating convincing power, magaling sa communication. And leader, an entrepreneur must have the charisma to be obey his employee. Okay. Tama naman na dapat as a leader, dapat magaling kang humawak ng mga tao. Of course, opportunity seeker, an entrepreneur must have the ability to be the first to see the business chances. Dapat marunong tayo kung ano yung nakikita nating mga chance ng business na pwede natin pasukin. Proactive, controlling a situation by making things to happen by preparing for possible future problems. Okay? So, alam na natin yung mga bagay na pwedeng maging problema. Okay? So, risk taker, they have the courage to pursue what is in their business ideas. Okay? So, kung naisip mo yung iyong product na yon at alam mo sa sarili mo na ito ay papatok, so, i-risk taker mo siya kasi naniniwala ka sa iyong product. Innovative, so the entrepreneur have big business ideas and they do not stop improving and thinking of a new worthwhile ideas for their business. So innovative, ibig sabihin may changes, open for the changes para mas mag-improve pa yung iyong product. So core competencies in entrepreneurship, economic and dynamic activity. Entrepreneur is an economic activity because it involves the creation and operation of the enterprise with a view to creating value or wealth by ensuring optimum utilization of the limited resources. For the innovative, entrepreneur constantly look for new ideas. Okay, ito yun, new ideas talaga para maging innovative ang inyong product. Profit potential, meaning the entrepreneur can be compensated by his profit coming from the operation. Para makita mo ba, kikita ka ba dyan sa product na yan. And risk-bearing is entrepreneur needs to be gamble but wise enough to offset the risk, of course. Yan. Ready to undertake. Career opportunities of entrepreneurship. Number one, business consultant. With the expertise of the entrepreneur, he can very good source of the advices to the entrepreneur and would be a businessman, of course. So those are the career opportunities kung papasok ka sa entrepreneurship. Of course, teacher, a graduate of entrepreneurship can be used his knowledge in teaching. Researcher, the entrepreneur can be employed as a researcher enterprise. Sales, the entrepreneurship graduate can apply as a salesman. And business reporter, the entrepreneur being expert in the field, he can be employed as a business reporter. So those are the career. If you, kung papasok ka with the entrepreneurship, these are the another career opportunities of an entrepreneurship. So we also have here the types of entrepreneurs. Number one is innovative entrepreneurs. So have the ability to think newer. O innovative ka kung meron kang newer, better, and more economical ideas. And imitating. So from the word imitating, these are the people who follow the path shown by innovative entrepreneurs. we also have the Pabian entrepreneur is skeptical about changes to be made in the organization. And for the 4, drone entrepreneur are person who lives on the labor of other. Social entrepreneur are people who drive social innovation and transformation in a various fields, including education, health, human rights, and many others. So these are for the activity 2, self-assessment, kung talagang you have the quality of an entrepreneur. So ang interpretation is if you have more yes than no, you have the qualities of an entrepreneur. So these are the quiz 1 and 2.